Hello, good morning, and welcome to Dreamland Acres. I'm John. Got a great episode for you today. We're going to finish the food forest on the hill. Got to do a lot of digging out, finish some of the terraces, get some more mulch, much more. Stick with us. Hey everyone, so before we go do some digging over there, we got to run to the post office real quick. So we got to pick up a package of, apparently you're able to ship things without paying postage, so we got to go pay postage to pick something up that
we don't even know what it is, do we?
We have no idea what it is, and I haven't ordered anything, and neither did she, so we'll go see what that is, and then we got to run to the soil store to pick up some soil and mulch, right?
Yep, that's my favorite thing, soil and mulch. Good afternoon.
So we finished up with the post office, and lo and behold, it was a car detailing kit from the dealer from January.
Yeah.
So now we're on our way to where? Is it Meadowview?
Meadowview to get some more soil and mulch for the tree orchard that we've been working on.
Yep.
And I haven't showed you yet, but we will today.
So first we got to go and hook up the dump trailer so we can go do that. So we'll see you down there.
So we are hooking up the dump trailer.
Okay, so we're arriving here at the North Shore Nursery right now. Getting ready to pull into the parking lot.
You are approaching your destination.
Right there.
You have reached your destination.
So as we come in, let's show you what they've got here.
Lots of trees.
I'm gonna go in right now and pay for it. Nicole's gonna get out and show you some things around the yard.
Going over here and looking at the trees. Pretty mulch. So I remember we got apples. Lots of apples. Nice trees. Look at them red ones. I think that would be pretty, but they're just red.
Getting them all trimmed first.
We're back home now. We're gonna dump it.
Going up.
Yep, keep going. Good. Good. We didn't bring any shovels yet. That yellow butterfly.
Yeah, this is what you got to do when you don't have shovels.
Down here, and I see some deer tracks. Look.
That's a pretty girl. Look at that with her nana. So we got everything loaded up right now. Just gonna get the doggy in, and we're gonna head down. So we'll show you the stuff that we use for ticks when we get back, because it's locked up in the garage right now. But we're all loaded. Let's head over.
So I'm going to show you the beginnings of the orchard that we just started. Did it over the weekend. We planted 5 apple trees. 3 are Honeycrisp, 1 is a Jonathan apple, and the other one, can't remember, but I'm gonna go look that up. Up here is our peach tree. We got 2 of those. Let's see what kind this one is.
run back to the house because I forgot the tripod. So while I'm on my way down here, one of the first things that we're going to do before we even get in the tractor is we're going to do a little maintenance today.
Now we're going to be using the grease gun on the excavator, the backhoe. Blah. Backhoe. I don't know none of these terms. So here we go.
So what we're going to be doing before we start this thing up is we're going to do some proper maintenance on it. We've been using this backhoe now, I guess, over 10 hours. So we want to grease up all the fittings, make sure that everything's lubricated, and we're not going to have any binding anywhere. So we're going to use the Milwaukee grease gun that we did an open box on a little while ago. We're going to see how it performs. Okay, so now I'm going to go get the tractor and we're going to see how we can get up this hill. Hopefully everything goes good. Hey everyone, so as you can see, we've got this terrace now pretty much pathed out. We're going to do some raking, and it's getting pretty late, so we're going to finish up here for the day and go home, make some dinner. Hey everybody, thanks for joining us today.
A lot of work today, I'm tired.
So as you can see, we were able to get the pathways done behind us. We still got a couple more holes in the front here to dig, but as far as the pathway terraces, they're finished, and we just got a bunch more mulch today. We're supposed to have some rock delivered tomorrow, so don't miss that episode. We're gonna start finishing the pad itself here.
And planting some more plants.
Yep, and planting some more plants. So if you liked the video today, smash that thumbs up, hit the subscribe, and tick the little bell to get notified when we post a new video. Thanks for watching Dreamland Acres today. I'm John.
I'm Nicole. We'll see you next time.
See ya.